Hey guys, Ashmit here. Welcome to my channel Spice and Plants. In this channel, I'll share some of the most delicious Indian inspired plant based recipes. I'll also share some of the other recipes which I enjoy every now and then. The first recipe which I'm sharing with you is yellow dal or dal tadka. It's one of my favorite Indian comfort food and super easy to make. Let's start cooking. So there you go. The delicious creamy vegan dal tadka is ready to be served. I like eating mine with basmati rice, either white or brown, but it goes really well with flatbreads too. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, then please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy vegan Indian inspired recipes coming soon. Until then, bon appetit and keep it spicy.